The Tesla TSLA is in a very nice symmetrical triangle. Right in the middle of that triangle, you'll notice this very nice bullish candle we got on Tuesday night. And I think based on that, good chance and the fact that the US is giving a relief rally, I think there's a chance of more of a move to line 2 over here. But either way, the strategy is aggressive traders can buy it at these levels for that move to line 2. It's a very short-term move that. This is where it's trading right now. It's sideways today, so not doing much. Aggressive traders could go for a very small move there if you want, or it's not that small. Line 2 is at $742 to $745. It's currently trading at $696, so you can get a nice little trade there. But the main strategy here is to look at entering in the breakout direction of this triangle of lines 1 and 2. It's going to either break out to the upside or the downside. Impossible to say which one of those it'll be. So if it closes above line 2, go long. If it closes below line 1, sell short. These are the targets for a short. For a long, that target of 904, 900 to 904 will incidentally line up with this flat 200-day moving average. That'll be a very good place to take profit and more than likely look for a short up there. So it could really go in either direction. Don't try and guess it. It could be in either direction. I think it is also coming out with earnings maybe next week or the week after, so keep that in mind as well. In the meantime, this coiling over here in this triangle is going to lead to a sharp move either way. The actual levels of lines 1 and 2 are in the notes, so refer to the notes over here. Line 2, I said it closed above 745, and line 1, sell short, it closed below $628. So whichever of those two happen first, that'll be the main signal.